Oukitel released the RT6 rugged tablet, Blackview released the Active 8 Pro, and now Umidigi is gearing up to release the Umidigi Active T1. This tablet is going to be a rugged tablet just like the Active 8 Pro and the Oukitel RT6. I do not know the exact dates that the tablet will be released, but it is expected to be available in the coming weeks. The Active T1 is Umidigi's first rugged tablet. The Blackview Active 8 Pro packs better specs than this tablet, but this tablet is also equipped with decent specs. And I think that I'll be comparing this tablet with the Active 8 Pro and the RT6 in the future. So as regarding the specs and features of this tablet, some of them are reviewed and I'll share them with you guys in this video. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's dig into it. So this tablet, just like many other tablets, supports keyboard. The keyboard, I believe, will be sold separately, and one of the ways to connect the keyboard is via Bluetooth. This tablet is also expected to pack a 15,000 mAh battery, which is great. It is not as big as the battery on the Active 8 Pro. The Active 8 Pro from Blackview is equipped with a 22,000 mAh battery. It is the tablet with the biggest battery, guys, while the RT6 is equipped with a 20,000 mAh battery. So those two tablets has bigger batteries than these tablets, but the battery of this tablet is also very big. The tablet also supports wireless charging, and it supports fast wire charging via a USB Type-C port. The tablet is also expected to utilize 8GB of RAM, support up to 128GB of internal storage. The display of the tablet is said to be 11 inches and the resolution is Full HD+. The tablet is also expected to be rated IP68 and IP69K, which means it is resistant to water, dust, high pressure water, and so on. It is also military standard 810G certified. The tablet also supports globe mode. The processor that will be powering this device is not reviewed yet. We'll get to know that very soon. This device is also set to support stylus, but I think that will be sold separately. So these are some of the leaked specs and features of the upcoming Umidigi Active T1. Once I get more details about this rugged phone, I'll update you guys. So make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. I'd also like to hear your thoughts about these tablets in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.